Yeah, hello all. Welcome back. So in the previous session we have gone through the discounts concept, right? So
Yeah.
let me create one sales order. So here we can able to see how many discounts are getting applied to the customer. So
Mm.
now let me take this one and see. If we go to the condition tab here we can see 4 discounts are getting applied to the customer, right?
Yeah.
So if company is providing 4 discounts at a time to the customer, then the company may go into losses. Actually,
Mm.
the business will give only one of those discounts. No business will give all the discounts to the customer at once.
Mm.
So here, what we have to do is we have to give one of these discounts to the customer.
Okay.
So for which now we will use the concept which is nothing but common discount. Okay. So
Mm.
now I will let you know how can we create the common discount concept. The concept is common discount concept.
Discount.
Okay.
Okay.
Sometimes if customers is eligible for multiple discounts as I have shown you, then system will
Mm.
determine all the discount condition types, right?
Yeah.
So here, in order to overcome this situation, we have to create a
Mm.
common discount condition type. In that, we will place all the condition tables from most specific to most general,
Okay.
and we will propose the best discount among them to the customer. So here, let me create one access sequence. Actually, we already have created some tables, right? So I
Mm.
will use the same tables here. So let me go through the access sequences. The transaction is v/07. And here, if we see some of the discounts, see, this is what the access sequence we have created for material discount. And this is what we have created for customer material discount. And
Mm.
this one we have created for customer percentage discount, and this is what is the price group discount, right? So now
Mm.
if we check the tables here, 518 is the table, then here 520 is the table, then here 522 is the table,
Mm.
then here 526 is the table. Okay.
Mm.
So now let me create the yumcom. This is what is
Mm.
the access sequence for common discount.
Mm.
So now let me select this one and let me go through the accesses, and here we have to place the tables from most specific to most general. So here
Mm.
518 is one table and
Mm.
520 is another table and
Mm.
522
22.
is another table, and I think 526 is another
526.
table, I think.
Yeah. Mm.
So we have placed 4 tables. Now we have to select the tables and we have to go to the accesses.
Mm.
Now let me
Okay.
save it. But before saving this, what I am trying to do is I just would like to
Mm.
click on exclusive for all of them.
Mm.
Okay. So I think you know
Mm.
what exactly the use of the field exclusive, right? If we put
It doesn't
exclusive,
include.
yeah, yeah, access sequence is a search strategy, and if you put
Mm.
exclusive, then if even if means if the system searches and if it finds a valid condition record, then the system will come
Mm.
out of the search strategy, right?
Yeah.
So what it literally means here is if system finds a valid condition record here, then system will
Mm.
display only that discount, and if system did not find any discount here, then it will go to the next
Mm.
step here. So
Okay.
if it finds any discounts here, then which determines into the sales document. And if system failed to get some record from these tables, from the first three tables, then the system will find it from the last table. Okay, so are you clear with it?
Yeah, clear.
Okay, then now let me save it. Now let me create one condition type for common discount. So I will go through the transaction b slash 06, and here, yeah, let me take one of the condition types here. See, now let me give MCOM. It's nothing but the common discount. And the access sequence is
COM.
MCOM. Okay. So already the condition type was created. So now let me place the condition type into the pricing procedure. So now let me go through the transaction v slash 08, and here what is our pricing procedure? It's nothing but MR40. Yeah, this one only. So now let me select it and let me go through the, see here we have already placed all these condition types, right? So now I will create a new, what is this, pricing procedure rather than the old one, because I don't want to disturb that one.
Okay.
So here let me create a new pricing procedure, Allcom standard pricing 1. Let me select this pricing procedure and let me go through the control, and here in the step number 10 I'll give the base price. Okay, and in the
Okay.
step number 20 I will give the bifurcation as base price, and in the step number 30 I'll give the discounts. So MCOM is the discount, right? So common discount here. So in the step number 50 I'll give the bifurcation step as discount. See, now the base price will get calculated on the step number 10. Okay, and the discount will get calculated on step number 20, and here the discounts are getting calculated on step number 30. So now let me save it. Okay, see, this is what is our pricing procedure, MR0001. So now let me go through the transaction OB. Okay, and here let me change our pricing procedure, because the previously, yeah, it is the previous pricing procedure, right? So now I would like to use the new one here.
Okay.
So now let me save it, and now let me create one more sales order. See, if we create the sales order here, and if we go through the conditions, here we are not getting any discount. Yeah, because we haven't created any condition records. So now let me go through the transaction VK11, and here let me create some discount. See, for the material, right? So here the material waxing 200, for which the discount is 10 rupees. Okay, and here we have to maintain the currency also. And now let me go back. And for the customer and material, for vaccine 150, I will give the discount as
Okay.
15. Okay.
Mm.
And here for the customer, I will give the discount as 20 rupees. Then to the last combination, I will give the discount as 30 rupees. Okay.
Mm.
See, now we have created all the discounts in
Mm.
this condition type.
Mm.
Now let me create one sales order. See here, the common discount condition type is proposing only one discount, right? That
Mm.
is
Okay.
10 rupees only.
Mm.
And this is what is getting proposed by this one. See, by the first one as the material discount. See here.
Mm.
Okay, for the vaccine 200, we have maintained 10 rupees as the discount, right?
Okay.
So now what I am trying to do is, let me remove that entry from VK12. Vaccine 200 is the material, and for which already we have maintained this one, right? So if we remove this, then what the system has
Mm.
to do? System has to search the next valid condition record,
Okay.
right? So now if
Mm.
we go to create one more sales order here for the same material, what was the previous discount? 10 rupees, right? But see, now the discount is 20 rupees.
Okay.
Okay, so if we go through
Mm.
the analysis here and see for this condition type, this was already
Mm.
deleted because I have deleted this, right? Previously
Mm.
10 rupees was the discount, here I have deleted it because to check the next available one here.
Mm.
So in this customer and material combination, the system did not
Mm.
find any valid condition record. Hence it was moved to the next one here, to the customer one. So here for the customer we are giving a discount of 20 rupees. That's what is getting determined into the sales document.
Mm.
Okay, and if we maintain this one customer and material combination,
Mm.
so let us see now what will happen. So in the VK11, customer and material, right? So this is what
Mm.
is our customer number, and this is what is our material number, vaccine 200. Okay,
Mm.
here let me give the discount as 15 rupees.
Mm.
So now let me save it and let me create the order again. Now what is the discount will appear here? The second one only, right? See,
Yeah.
if you
Mm.
select it and if you go through the discounts here, see, in the first
Mm.
key combination the system found some discount but
Yeah.
which was deleted.
Mm.
So it has moved into the next one here, next step here, in
Mm.
which the system finds 15 rupees as discount because here we have maintained a condition record with the key combination of customer and material.
Oh,
So
yeah.
as the system found a valid condition record here, The system has not moved to the third step here.
Okay.
Okay, because
Okay.
we put the exclusion mark there in the access sequences.
Mm.
So what I have told you, if we put exclusion there, then if system finds any valid condition record, then system will stop searching, means system will come out of the search strategy, and which will determine the condition record.
Okay.
Okay, and if system didn't find any valid condition record here in the 20, then it will go to the 30, and if don't find in 30, then it will go to the 40.
Mm.
Okay, so
Okay.
this is what will happen. So in this case, with this concept, what we have achieved, we have achieved that we can give only one discount to the customer. Even if we are having multiple discounts, here we are giving only one discount to the customer. So which will be the benefit, means which will be the beneficiable to the company. We usually get such requirements if the customers are eligible for multiple discounts in the, what is this, if the customers are eligible for multiple discounts. So I think you are clear with this common discount concept. Here, this condition type is consist of 4 key combinations. Okay, so here the discount is getting picked by the system only. We are not giving it. So you may get a doubt that how the system will come to know what exactly the most specified one, or what exactly the general one. So here, that's why only I have told you that we have to place the condition tables in the access sequence from most specific to most general. So now let me open it. So what I mean here is, if we go through common discount here, see, and if we go through accesses, see, if company feels that the material discount is more, for example, here this is 10 rupees, and the next one is 9 rupees, and the next one customer discount is 8 rupees, and the price group discount is 5 rupees. Okay, so if the company feels that it is the most specified one and it is the most common one, then we will place the condition tables in the access sequence like them.
Okay.
So if the customer is, means if the customer is eligible for the first key combination, then he will get 10 rupees as a discount. And if he is not eligible for the first one, then he will be eligible for the second one. Here he will get 9 rupees as a discount. So like that only. So if he is not eligible for the above 3, then he will get only 5 rupees as the discount. So here we are placing the tables from most specific to most general. So I think you are clear with it. And if you have any queries in this regard, you can ask me now. Yeah, you clear?
Yeah, clear, sir.
Okay, then thank you.